There are two types of plants. One, they give you, you plant them, it gives you a harvest and it dies, and then you have to plant again. And there are the second kind, which are perennial, which upon planting you tend to get many harvests. Most of the fruit trees are like that. A fruit tree doesn't die after giving one harvest. It gives you a second harvest in the next year. So these are called perennial. And the types that die after giving one harvest, they are either seasonal or annual. So most of the rice crop, let's say, it's seasonal. There are 3 seasons for rice, and for every season there is a planting, there is a harvest, and then it has to be plowed again. So this plowing of the land increases greenhouse gas. Uh, so 3 times rice harvest, rice planting, and rice harvest needs plowing for 3 times, and as a result, the greenhouse gases are emitted: carbon dioxide, nitrous oxide, methane. So one pathway by which climate signature for rice or other crops can be reduced tremendously if you could get multiple harvests after one planting. So this idea occurred to me 15 years ago, and I started to develop rice varieties which upon planting and growth gives just not one harvest but multiple harvests. I started out with two that was deployed into the field about 10 years ago. And this year we have been able to get 5 harvests from one planting. So this rice we call Panchavrihi because Pancha means 5 and Brihi means rice. So these particular variety this year has been in the field through the whole year from about February till November, and it gave us 5 harvests. And the best variety gave us 20 ton per hectare per year yield. Just to give a comparison, the national average at the moment is 4.5 tons per hectare per year. So this has led to a roughly 5-fold increase in production. So this will cause huge increase in yield for food security, uh, in huge increase in the farm income of smallholder agriculture, and a tremendous reduction in the climate footprint of rice and in future of other crops.